If you're not downloading your Square Invoices sales report, you're missing the clearest picture of your business's financial health. Let's get that data in your hands right now. First, log into your Square account and navigate to the main dashboard from the left-hand navigation menu. Click on the Invoices section to access your primary invoicing hub. Now look at the top of the page and click on the Reports tab. This is your central command for all business analytics, and where we'll find the specific sales data. On the Reports page, you'll see several options for a comprehensive view of your invoice payments. You want to select the Sales Summary Report. This report is perfect for tracking payment history and customer transactions. Before generating the report, customize your data. Use the Date Range selector to choose a specific period. Like last month or this quarter, you can also filter by customer, item, or invoice status to make the data even more targeted. Once your filters are set, click the Run Report button. Square will now compile all your invoice sales data based on your criteria. This only takes a moment. Here is your sales report. You can review the summary for a high-level overview of total sales and fees, and scroll down to see a detailed, line-by-line list of every invoice transaction. To download this report for your records or to import into another program like Excel, look for the Export button, click it, and choose your preferred format. CSV is excellent for spreadsheets, while PDF is great for sharing. After selecting your format, the file will download directly to your computer. Save it in an organized folder, so you can easily find it for your monthly bookkeeping or business analysis. With the report downloaded, you can now open it to analyze trends, identify your top-paying customers, track seasonal sales patterns, and make informed decisions to strategically grow your business. You now have the power to access and interpret your sales data anytime. Hit subscribe for more tips that turn your financial tracking into a growth strategy.